Hey mommies. I'm a t-shirt and jeans kind of person. Like, if we go to Target, I'm in sweats. You know what I'm saying? But now that I've had a child and I am now a mama, I always, to me, in my opinion, look tired. Like, I feel like I always look tired. At least I always feel tired. And so especially when the baby is like a newborn, you don't sleep, right? After having Corey, I just remember feeling like, okay, I'll just dib dab a couple things on my face just to look alive. Disclaimer, I dibble and dabble in my own makeup. I watch YouTube to teach me how to put on my own makeup. So some items that you could literally dab on your face, right? Using fingers, you don't need any makeup brushes or anything, are my favorites, the Fenty matchsticks. These have become my staples, my favorites. I literally throw these bad boys in my little purse or whatever, my little clutch or wherever I'm going. My book bag normally with Corey stuff in it, but then I put all my stuff in here so that it doesn't get lost with diapers and food and stuff. With the matchsticks, you kind of have to warm it up because it's real thick, just to look a little bit more alive, all right? And like I said, you could literally use your fingers with these matchsticks. So the contour stick, this one is in espresso, especially since I've gained a little baby weight, even though my baby is 1.5 years, okay? Don't judge me. It's baby weight. Add some definition to my face. Did I warm this up? I add a little bit of contour. Like I said, you could use your finger with everything. But it's literally for just like a little bit of definition. Now, if I'm going out, then of course I, contour this 5 head and I contour all over here to get rid of this extra that I have. But we ain't going nowhere special. I just want to look alive, like I said. Then next on the matchstick trio is cinnamon. I add a little shimmer to my face, only because like when the sun hits your face, not only do you look alive because of the concealer, but I like to look a little like glowy, I add it to, where you're supposed to add it above your contour and on that like cheekbone. And then I actually dab a little bit on my nose. On my nose. That's what my daughter says, nose. Now, if you want to go a step further and do eyes, you can. This skin shimmer stick works wonders everywhere. If you want to add to like the collarbone to look a little bronzy, I'll add like maybe a little bit on the brow bone. I said brow bone, brow bone. If you want, you could add on the eyelid just to get a little eye popping. I don't know if it's coming out on video, but in my mirror, I see the little shimmer, especially on my nose. Add some mascara. I love this one. This one's from Makeup Forever. It was actually in my Ipsy bag. They're cute, they're petite. I just need my eyelashes to wake up. So that's why I like these, but I also like the Maybelline Falsies. Okay, so I stole this from my best friend / sister in high school, maybe 9th grade, maybe 10th grade. In high school, I had the bushiest eyebrows. Lisa used to always say, comb these eyebrows, girl. So she used to comb them for me with her finger. And then one time, I don't even know how I stole this or where. This was so long ago, it was high school, y'all. I'm like into my 30s, so that was a while back. But I've had this ever since then. And can I tell you, yeah, I have like those eyebrows duo sticks. Even with all of those that I actually have in my makeup box, can I tell y'all that this is my #1 go-to? For whatever reason, this combs my eyebrows or brushes my eyebrows so much better than those other ones, those new ones. And this is literally, y'all, like, it's got to be 20 years old. Yeah, I don't even know. Should I still keep this? Is it sanitary? Y'all know NYX, the butter gloss. Ippy, that's it. That's it. I just want to look awake. That's all. I just want to look awake. I want to look like I didn't have a sleepless night because of a toddler who decided at 3 o'clock in the morning to yell, "Ma! Ma!" That was my night last night, okay? 3 in the morning. And she probably didn't go to sleep till 4:30. I don't even know, because I just fell asleep. I just was like, whatever. Why are toddlers still waking up in the middle of the night? Why? Can you tell me? Please, let's have a conversation about this. This is it for me. This is it. 5 items on the go. Tell me what you normally add. Tell me, because I need more help. Thanks, guys, for tuning in.